I'm a police officer with the city of Virginia Beach. During the course of my daily activities, I've sustained 2 shoulder injuries. Most recently was December of 2011. I rehabbed and was back to full duty by late fall of 2012. Sent on my way with a shot of cortisone after I did about 3 months of physical therapy. And as the cortisone wore off in 2013, I started to have more problems again. The pain came back, I stopped sleeping again, couldn't sleep on the right side, which was the injured side, and finally got a referral to Dr. Barr for treatment. And Dr. Barr started me off with a series of PRP injections. And each time that I had an injection, I noticed some improvement. Sometimes it was a little bit, sometimes it was more, but to the point now where I'm finally able to sleep on my right side. I just think it's miraculous for what's transpired, what's gone on, and no surgery. So there's been no surgery, no cortisone injections, just the PRP. And in July of 2014, I went under a stem cell procedure, which is harvesting fat, and from my own body fat, they were able to harvest stem cells and inject the stem cells along with the body fat into my shoulder, which was amazing to me, because the way they take the fat, I initially didn't understand how the procedure was going to work, but it turns out it's actually therapeutic liposuction. So 2 benefits in one, to have the therapeutic liposuction where they took the body fat from my hip area and then injected it into the shoulder where I've been having issues with the muscles, and heal my body with my own body fat. And that has really I've noticed a huge difference just from 3 months ago when I had that procedure. I'm having my second stem cell fat graft next week, and I'm really looking forward to even more progress than I've had over the last 2 years, a year and a half, with Dr. Barr. I recommend it to everyone that's had issues and people who don't want surgery to begin with, because as I said, I did have a tear when I came to her, which was after I'd already had the other tears corrected with surgery. And I can see now that possibly surgery wasn't even needed because of what she's been able to do for me.
What I really appreciate is that all the medical professionals and the staff are so highly skilled and competent and patient, which really has meant a lot to me. I really appreciate also the fact that it's teamwork. It's a system that happens here. I've been very impressed with that. I first saw Dr. Lisa Barr, who is terrific, and she diagnosed my problems after doing some testing, and then developed a kind of a plan for me, a treatment plan. And the equipment that they have here, the technology, allowed her to show me what problems I was having and why I was experiencing the balance problem. So since then, I have not fallen down, I'm proud to say, and very, very grateful to her. Then I also see Janet, and she's the physical therapist. And my idea of physical therapy was a gym with terrible equipment in it, and that didn't happen at all. Janet is hands-on. She has taught me so much about my body and why my posture has affected my lower back pain, my neck pain, why some of the injuries I've had in the past have affected it, but more importantly, how to correct it. It's more about reducing pain, or if we can, eliminating pain altogether. And that has meant a lot to me. I have hope for the first time in a long time that I'm going to be pain-free and able to do everything I want to do without the back pain, without the neck pain, and standing upright without falling.